In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best backpack sprayer. So let's get started. Number 7. Roundup No Leak Backpack. Roundup is the band-aid or jello of pesticides and herbicides, practically synonymous with the product category. It's no surprise that their branded backpack sprayer is our pick for the best on the market right now. Despite being a pump-action sprayer, it's able to reach 150 psi in the chamber, compared to 95 psi for an average competitor. This sprayer's features are as solid as its internal parts. It comes with 4 nozzles, 2 wide fans, 1 adjustable, and 1 foaming nozzle. It has a wide tank opening that filters out debris, a pump handle that can be fitted on the left or right, comfortable padded straps, and a leak-proof one-way valve. Number 6. Chapin International 4-gallon. Chapin is a reliable agricultural tech brand that makes our favorite backpack sprayer for gardeners and orchard keepers on a budget. It's a versatile unit, suitable for insecticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, and can keep going for hours with its 4-gallon tank. This is another pump-action sprayer, with the arm fatigue that implies. However, it's exceptionally efficient, able to cover gardens and orchards in a short time once pressurized. The no-leak technology and 2-stage filter work exactly as intended, and the wide spray jet is even and reliable. The trade-off is comfort. This sprayer requires a lot of pumping in order to work. Aside from that, this sprayer doesn't distribute the weight of 4 gallons as well as some others, making it hard to wear for hours on end. Number 5. Field King Professional. DB Smith/Field King calls this a professional sprayer, but it can really be used by anybody who understands how. It's able to reach the highest standard of 150 psi, and also comes with a pressure regulator, so you can hold it at the lower pressures more suited for precise work. The chest harness is comfortable, and the choice of spray nozzles is impressive, adjustable for basically any job. We also like how easy it is to assemble, and how it takes relatively little pumping to stay pressurized. At its highest pressure, it can reach trees up to 20 feet in the air, making this another good choice for orchard keepers. Number 4. Jackto Pjb16. The Pjb16 has a very high-quality fit and finish component to it. In fact, it feels like the most solid product out of all the ones that I reviewed. I can tell that it will last years and years of heavy use. Constant, consistent pressure is maintained through the entire fill, which is a real time saver for me. There are many things that I really like about this sprayer, but the real selling point for me was the audible walking speed indicator. I thought this would help me put down a consistent application by keeping my walking speed steady. The indication does work well, but I found it to be a little tricky to use and wish that it was louder. Number 3. Sprayers Plus 105X. The Sprayers Plus 105EX is one of the more popular backpack sprayers used by DIY enthusiasts. It is simple to use and helps you to put down an even application. It is translucent, so seeing liquid levels is easy. The opening is fairly wide, which makes pouring, mixing, and cleaning simple. It has a 20V battery, which provides 40 psi, with a long reach to help sprayer trees and taller bushes. Number 2. M for My 4 Sons. Inside this backpack sprayer, the battery-powered pump produces a steady 60 psi spray for handling a variety of different types of weeds, using an easy-to-adjust spray wand that can be extended to a total length of 40 inches. Thanks to the variety of different nozzle attachments, you can adjust the spray output to your current situation by simply switching your old nozzle to a new one, and the fairly long battery life ensures you'll have plenty of time to search for spots you've missed. On top of that, the improved trigger design makes the whole unit much more convenient to use and adds a locking feature that can stop the water flow almost instantaneously without damaging the hose or causing pressure to build up. The curved tip makes the covering of weeds much simpler, without pointing the whole wand straight down at an uncomfortable angle. Number 1. Solo 425. Reaching up to 90 psi in a matter of moments, The Solo 425 is a disappointingly powerful backpack sprayer built for extra durability, using a long-lasting, high-performance pump that can be quickly locked and unlocked to avoid accidental damage. The sprayer itself comes with 4 separate nozzles, a hollow cone, a narrower spray, the third nozzle for powerful water jets, and a fourth, manually controlled attachment. Not only that, but for use on either side, the pump handle can be inverted. The provided hose spans up to 48 inches in length, using transparent materials to make it much easier to detect leaks and pressure drops without causing you to remove the entire package. Thanks to the tank's internal nature, it can accommodate nearly any form of weed killers and pesticides, and can even be used to spray finishing agents for certain garden patio surfaces.